welcome back to Moonstone Crafts, and welcome back to another Stickiiclub unboxing. Before I get into this, a little bit of change of plans, because I was planning to do a whip and chat this week. Unfortunately, I didn't have the time to film it, so I will definitely do that next week, Sunday. But we have to open the Stickiiclub as well, so let's just switch them around, do this one this week. And the whip and chat next week, because I have a lot of news. You might have seen it already on Instagram if you follow me on Instagram. Link is always in the description down below. Also, next Wednesday, which is the 23rd of June, will be my 1-year anniversary on YouTube and on Instagram. So hopefully I couldn't put a little video up of just the last year as a thank you, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to. But of course I will definitely put something up on Instagram. But let's get into the business. This is my Stickiiclub unboxing. Every month I do one. This is a sticker subscription service. It comes to me from America. It always ships out on the 11th of the month. I got it yesterday, and yesterday was the 19th, so it's getting here. It's getting here very quickly every time, like under a week, I guess, or like in a week. It comes here from America. Last time as well, so it gets better. My hand is just here because it's covering up my address, so let's turn it around so I can just talk normally. Again, set up on the bed, it's easy, it's way easier to film that way for me, just quick, and I think for this video it doesn't really matter. It says, can't read it because the lighting is a bit off, so hopefully that doesn't cause any trouble with showing you the stickers. It says enjoy your pop pack, so I've gone with the pop pack again. I think I did last month as well. Yeah, because I didn't have to change it up, because they have 3 different packs. They have the vintage pack, or is it called retro now? I don't know. The pop pack and the cute pack. Mostly I switch between the vintage and the pop one, and very little times I pick the cute pack. It's just mostly not my style, because there's a lot of cute faces on the stickers and I'm not really into those too much myself. So let's get it out. I'll check the envelope. They always say check your envelope to see if there are any loose bits in there. No. So it always comes in this nice little insert that you can put in your A5 holder. It's like an A5 insert, branded with their Stickii logo, and specific pockets where you can put it in. This is Bake Craft. This month's theme is Bake Craft. So that's gonna be very tasty. Let's say it like that. So that's 2 stickers with the theme. One you can put on the bottom here of your thing, so you can find it easily when you put it in a A5 holder. And the other one you can use whatever you like. I mostly use it as my also in my A5 holder to know which ones are in there. Let's see what this is. This looks interesting. Oh, I remember again why I picked this one. If you guys are diamond painters and you watch this video, this month's pack had stickers and stuff from Cherryuki, who is licensed with DIY Moonshop. So I was very excited about that. Last time that I did an unboxing, I think actually one of my first ones, I did an unboxing where there was stickers of Cherryuki in there. She's called Cherry Rabbit here, but the same artist. I didn't know that she was licensed to DIY Moonshop, and I was like, oh, if we should get her licensed to a diamond painting company. And now I know, so that she's licensed already. So I don't really know what these are. Maybe they're like clips. So look, it's a little girl, one of her. Nice work. And it has like a thing. I'm trying to show you. There you go. Cherry rabbit. It says cherryrabbit.net. I should have put it the other way. Sorry, probably was the wrong way around. It's very hard with the lighting here. And then you can move this out, so I guess you can put it on somewhere. I don't know what it's supposed to be exactly. But this is one, and we have the other one. Just this little girl. Get the other one out of the way so it can focus. Very cool. Very nice. And it's printed both sides, so it doesn't really matter. So that's very cool. I love that. So they're not stickers, but they're pretty awesome. I love her artwork. I haven't got one of her diamond paintings from DIY Moonshop, but I think she's awesome. An awesome artist. So when I saw that she was in another pack from Stickiiclub, I was like, yeah, I have to have that. Another artist in this pack. Oh, let me get this open, because these are sticky notes. We get, most of the times we get sticky notes. And definitely in the future, in the near future, I'm gonna be able to use these. More of that. More on why in my next whip and chat, which I prolonged. But there we go. Very cute. Look, this could have been in the cute pack. But very awesome. And I love all the space they leave on these sticky notes now, so that you can really use them. Because beforehand they didn't really do that. They were more decorative. But yeah, this is cute. And this is Go-Go Glass. I don't know if I pronounced that right, so I'm sorry. Lighting is definitely not good here on this on this angle that I've got. So I might have to change that. So now, the rest of the pack. There was something else different in this one, which is another one that's in a little pocket. So let's look what this is. This looks like something you can put together. So there's definitely different things in this one, which is interesting. I like that they try new things. It's just not all stickers anymore. Ooh, there's multiple. Sweet Spells, it says. And it's from the artist of MMHE. Oh, I can't say that. These names of these artists these days. There you go. We have to turn it around for you to actually see what it says. Let's assemble one, because you have to fold them. I can see that. So there's 3 of those. I think this is like a box where you can put your sweets in. A nice little... Oh, it's like a little envelope. Oh, that's really nice. Oh, I like that. It's a bit fidgety. It doesn't really go closed up very easily, but there you go. Now you have a little envelope. Alrighty, that's interesting. That's different. I don't know, maybe it's supposed to be, no, it can't be that way. It's supposed to be this way, and then you have to really... I like it. So we got 3 of those. They're all the same. So no difference there, but that's fun. That's different. Let's see, we have a few white ones, so we can use those for the other ones. This is stuck together, so that's always a bit tricky. Just putting them off look, we have 3 white ones, so we'll leave those there. And we'll do the other ones first. So first of all, we got some washi strips. And I really love the washi strips. Always, the edition of those are great. So we have, they're all bakery, of course. Sweet, what does it say? Sweet spells. Yeah, because it's like a witch and bakery combined pack because of Cherry Yuki, I think. Her things. And as you can see, there's a little bit of gold foil on top. And a little bit of silver there. So for, oh no, it's not silver, it's just white. It's like a written menu on a chalkboard. Yeah, fun. I always love these washi strips kind of stickers. They're fun. You can always use those. Ooh, another one that's stuck together. Next up, there's a lot in this pack actually. Nice purple and pink cakes. And mint green as well. And some coffee. Those are pretty. What is that green thing there? Let me just look at it myself. I think that's kind of supposed to be the spell or something. I don't know. That's just a weird green thing. I don't think I will ever use that on anything. It's like a genie that comes out of a bottle or something. Next up, we have the real bakery stuff, like for a high tea. I'm sorry, my finger is on top of a butterfly, I think, which is very interesting that that's also on here. So these actually look a bit more retro as well. So we have like all the packs in this pack. I think this is a real good one. We had the cute one in the sticky notes, which probably also has a sticker sheet as well. So that will be interesting to see. Or is that this one? No, this is the Mumechi. I can't remember. Is that from the sticky note or is that from the envelopes? Oh, this is the one that fits with the little envelopes that we got. Ooh, this is a Cherry Yuki one. Or a Cherry Rabbit, as she is for Stickiiclub. I don't know why she has such different names as well. Let me see if this is better. This is better, I think, for her things. I'm just gonna look at it myself first. I just love her artwork. She is the best, and I love that I have those little stickers of her now. So I really love that she again did a pack with Stickiiclub. Last time she did, I also got that pack, so, and I do think I did the unboxing of that on the channel, so I will link that up. Definitely. I always link up most of the Stickiiclub unboxings when I can in this video. That's cool. I love her artwork. And this is more the spell part. So I guess that's where they got that from. So which one should we do first? Let's do this one. Ooh, Shiroi Room. Shiroi Room. Is that the one from the... No, that's another one. So there's like 1, 2, 3, 4 artists already in this pack. It's amazing. I love it every time they work with new artists. So these are like a little bit of witches in teacups or coffee cups. I don't know what you want to call them. That's her details. I'm gonna have to do a lot of linking with all these artists. I like to get all their links and information down in the description below. So if you're interested in any of them, I'd like to give them a follow on Instagram or any other social media channels, or just look at their website if they have anything that you like. You can do that just easily by clicking the link in the description. Just so you know. Ooh, next one is just a Stickiiclub sheet, so that's interesting. And it is a real nice texture. It's a different texture than most of them. It's more papery, but also it has like a real texture. I don't know how to call it, but it's interesting. So they're also very interesting as well, because there's all kinds of bread from a bakery, of course, in little bags, well, imaginary bags, I guess. They're not really in bags, because the bags are a bit of, they're not really in color, and the bakery goods are in color. So nice. Do you guys get hungry by seeing all these bakery goods? And last, the last sheet. Would it be one that fits the sticky notes? Yes, it does. I knew it. I knew it wouldn't be just one artist for one sticky notes. Of course, they would also have a sticky, a sticker sheet. So Go Glass, their sticker sheet. I'm gonna look at it first. Ooh, this is really nice art as well. I might have to give them a follow on Instagram if I can find them. Look, I love the inclusivity that they recently got as well. People of color. And these are also very cute. They're also really nice, but also cute in the same time. So like I said, we have the cute pack, the retro pack, and the pop pack all in one in this edition. Even though it's supposed to be a pop pack, so yeah, very nice. So we have all these sticker sheets. Let me lay them around for you guys so you can see. Let me try to get it in shot. We of course have the sticky notes. We have the little sticker that you put on your inserts and stuff. We have these from Cherryuki. These little plastic things that you probably can shove onto something. I'm not sure, but we'll see how we can use those. They're really cute, actually. And we have these new additions as well, the envelopes. So this is worth way more than you pay for a pack. I think this is like a pack that I got so much more out of than, you know, normally, because normally if you get other things that are not stickers, the sticker sheet, there's less sticker sheets, you know, but there's even a lot of sticker sheets in here as well. So I'm really happy with it. I picked the right pack again. I'm doing pretty well last couple of weeks, so I'm really happy with that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'm gonna try to see if I can upload a video on Wednesday on my 1-year anniversary here on YouTube as Moonstone Crafts, and also on Instagram because I started that on the same day. But don't hold me to it. We'll see if that works out, if I have time, because exciting things are happening in my life, and I hope to tell you about that next week in my webpage chat. You just have to wait 1 week longer. But if you really want to find out what the real news is, it's already up on Instagram on my post from last Wednesday, I think. Or Thursday. No, Tuesday. Tuesday, Wednesday, one of those days. I already announced it. But yeah. Time is going to be limited the next coming weeks. Very exciting. But I'm happy we at least got the June pack for Stickiiclub unboxed, and you can see how pretty all these artworks is. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this. Hopefully you also gonna follow some of the artists if you like their work. And do remember, if you're a diamond painter, Cherryuki's work, if you really like her art like I do, her work is available as a diamond painting, licensed by DIY Moonshop, so keep that in mind. I will probably put a link to that as well in the description, so you can go there easily to her collection. Thank you all for watching. I will see you the next time. Bye!